Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to part 2 of what I eat in a day to lose weight. This video was super requested, so here I am again with some more quick and easy meals that I ate to lose weight and also to maintain my weight. So I've recently given up coffee and replaced it with tea. This here is from Teamy Blends and I'm doing their 30-day detox program. So this is a calendar where I keep track of my progress. I drink the skinny tea every morning before breakfast and then I drink the colon tea every other night. I'm 7 days in and I've seen amazing results already. I drink the skinny tea every morning before breakfast. It helps boost metabolism, it suppresses your appetite, and it also provides energy, so it acts as a coffee replacement. And then I drink the colon tea every other night, and that helps you get the toxins out of your body, and it helps you lose weight, and it also helps reduce bloating. And the skinny tea also helps reduce bloating too. But basically, I have seen amazing results. My tummy is so much flatter, and I'm really not as hungry throughout the day. And like I said, it provides the same amount of energy as coffee does. So I'm really happy that I don't have to rely on coffee anymore for my caffeine. So every morning I just boil some water and then I'm going to pour it into this really cool tumbler that they sell online. They sell a lot of really cool tumblers online. But anyway, I'm going to pour some hot water in there and then I'm going to be putting a teaspoon of the tea leaves. Also, I have some coupon codes if you guys are interested in trying out this program. I recommend checking out their website and I will leave all that information below. I also like to add honey for flavor because honey makes everything in life sweeter. I'm just going to mix that all up and that's it. Oh, and then also it comes with a really cool strainer because like you don't want to eat the tea leaves, obviously. And then it also has a really cool secret compartment on the bottom so you can put like extra tea leaves down there. So I have some extra tea leaves down there for when I bring my bottle to work and I want to make some tea at work. So I'm going to check that off. I'm done for today. And you can also reuse the tea leaves 1 to 3 times throughout the day. For breakfast, I'm just having Chobani's vanilla Greek yogurt, and this actually has a lot of sugar because it's flavored. So I recommend getting the like regular no flavor Greek yogurt because that's a lot healthier and there's a lot less sugar than this one. So I recommend getting that. And then I'm going to top it off with granola. I don't necessarily eat this for health because this isn't really that healthy. I use it more for flavor. So I don't put that much on it. I put just a little bit on top. As you can see, it has a lot of calories for half a cup. So I literally just put like a tablespoon of it and then that's fine. And then I'm just going to top it off with some raspberries. So I'm just going to scoop some Greek yogurt into a bowl, and what I love about Greek yogurt is that it's packed with probiotics, which are healthy bacteria that helps boost your immune system and it helps your stomach, and it's also a good source of calcium and provides protein. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the granola on top, like I said, not too much, and then putting the raspberries, and that's it. It's so easy to make. It takes like 30 seconds and it tastes so good. And like I said, if you just use regular Greek yogurt and not flavored and just a little bit of granola, then you're good to go. For lunch, I'm going to be having a turkey wrap. And so I have here all my ingredients. I have the wraps, the turkey, and then some greens, which is not romaine lettuce. I know that's not good to eat right now. So I just have some spinach and other greens, and then tomato and mayonnaise, light mayonnaise. So I'm just going to put the mayonnaise on the wrap, and then I'm going to add just 1 slice of turkey because when you roll it up, it it gets thick. And then just some tomato slices, and then some spinach. And then I'm going to add a little bit more mayo because I feel like it's kind of dry. Oh yeah, and also mustard. I forgot to add that in the beginning. And then I'm just going to roll it up. Watch me struggle with this. Watch. Look at that. Hot mess. And then I'm just going to slice it down the middle and voila. There you go. This wrap is a whole wheat wrap and it's only 130 calories for 1 wrap. So I really like that wrap. And I usually eat this with a side of fruit. So here are some more of my favorite weight loss snacks. First we have some Boom Chicka Pop popcorn. If you haven't had this popcorn, it is so good and it's only 35 calories per cup. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and it's just so good. And another favorite snack I have is Veggies and Hummus. I am such a big hummus person. Hummus is literally the best. And if you go to Costco, you can buy these like little cups and they're only 160 calories per cup. And I never eat the whole cup all at once, so it's really healthy. And I like to eat it with some cucumber slices and some carrot sticks. And here I am just, taking a bite because I was hungry while I was filming this and it was just so appealing. I just could not eat it. Yep, here we go with another bite. And then these are some cookies. These are a little bit more of a treat, but only 4 of these cookies equal 140 calories. So one is like, what, 35? Is that the math? But anyway, they're so good. And I guess I wouldn't consider this healthy, but it is non-GMO. It has no artificial flavoring. And like I said, 1 cookie is only 35 calories. So if you ever want to treat yourself, like 1 or 2 cookies is not bad. For dinner, we're making fajitas! Ross, friends, anyone familiar with what I just said? Anyway, I'm going to be making some chicken fajitas. Here's the chicken breast I'm using. and obviously the fajita seasoning, and then we're going to put some bell peppers and some onions in it. And then these are the same wraps that I use for lunch. They're multi-grain and very healthy. And then we're going to put some light sour cream. So here we're going to prep. We're going to cut all the peppers up. And then I'm going to cut up my chicken. I know this is not the most appealing thing in the world, and this might gross some people out, so I'm going to try to cut this up as much as I can. But basically, I am cutting the chicken into small, like, skinny strips because I want the chicken to be, like, skinny strips. And then we're going to go ahead and cook that on the stove. I just put some olive oil, and then we're going to just go ahead and cook that up. And then in a separate pan, I'm going to saute the veggies. I'm going to cook them to about medium well. I'm not going to cook them all the way because I don't want them to be too soggy. And then I'm still going to combine them with the chicken later on. So I'm not going to cook them too much, but just a little bit. And then I'm going to add the fajita seasoning to the chicken. And then I'm also going to add some salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder because I literally have to have garlic powder in everything. And a tip is if the chicken is too dry, you can add just a little bit of water. I actually had to do that, and it made the chicken a lot more saucier and moist. Oh, I hate that word. Okay, and now we're going to add the veggies to the chicken, and then we're just going to mix that all up. And that's the final fajita mix. We're just going to cook that through a little bit more. And obviously add more seasoning because you just can't have enough. And that's the final product. I can just smell it through the computer. And then I'm just going to lay it on my tortilla, and then I'm going to add some extra bell peppers because I love extra veggies. I'm going to add the light sour cream on top of it. And there you go, that's my healthy meal. It's a really good combo of protein and veggies and grains, and it's not too fattening, not too many calories, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see another one. I might actually make this a regular series, so if you're interested in having this as a regular series, then let me know in the comments and like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.